ProSelect Basic versus Pro. Which one is right for you? ProSelect sets you on the path to stronger sales. But once you're ready to subscribe, there's an important choice to make. Do you go with ProSelect Basic or take the next step with ProSelect Pro? Let's break down the key differences so you can choose the version that fits your studio best. First, let's talk about working with rooms. Showing your work more quickly and efficiently often translates directly into higher sales. Both Basic and Pro include the Working with Rooms module, letting you place products into virtual or client-supplied rooms. But in Pro, the differences add up fast. In Pro, you can use multiple rooms at once, build different options, and toggle between them effortlessly. That means showing wall groupings in different spaces or exploring alternate designs in seconds. In Basic, you're limited to one room at a time. To show a second option, you have to delete the first. Both versions let you add mats and frames to your images. But framing is where Pro really shines. ProSelect Pro allows importing of thousands of virtual moldings from major frame manufacturers, giving clients a true-to-life preview of their finished product. In Pro, you can load up to 750 frame moldings, neatly organized into folders for quick browsing. In Basic, you're limited to 12 frames, enough to get started, but not enough to show your full range of styles. ProSelect Pro doesn't just help you sell more, it helps you work faster. That's where Pro Production comes in. ProSelect is designed to empower studios of every size. Pro Production truly shines for individual photographers, enabling you to create sophisticated products with minimal or even no Photoshop experience. With powerful automation, it streamlines complex client projects and turns time-consuming tasks into effortless workflows. Once an order is placed, Pro Production handles the rest. Cropping, Photoshop actions, black and white conversions, and digital file exports, all automatically. Files are neatly organized and ready for upload to your lab, without hours of manual work. If you outsource retouching, ProSelect Pro packages everything automatically: RAWs, notes, and reference files, all in one clean folder. It takes seconds, not hours. No more hand searching and pulling files. Now let's walk through placing an order. I've built a few products: prints, a gallery wrap, and a framed composite. I'm going to adjust the cropping on the composite product. In Cropping View, I can select an opening and adjust the crop using the tools on the toolbar. Dragging the image allows me to reposition it. Once I'm happy with the cropping, I can tap the T key to return to thumbnail view. I will now add all these items to the order. Do a Command or Control A to select all the items. Click on the shopping cart. Click on the total price line to order all the items. We also want to order some digital files. Navigate to Working with Images. These images have already been cropped. I'm going to select the ones I want to order. Once selected, click on the shopping cart. Click on Digital Files to reveal the pricing options. I'm going to select Set of 5 printable digital files. The digital files have been added to the order. Click on the shopping cart again to review the order. Everything up to this point is available in ProSelect Basic, but here's where Pro takes over. In Basic, you'd recreate every product manually, usually in Photoshop. In Pro, it's automated. Open the Production Manager. My prints, gallery wraps, products, and digital files are all listed here in their appropriate tabs. In the Products tab, I can find the composite product I just cropped. Expand out the product to see the individual images it contains. If I need to retouch any of these, I can open them in Photoshop or other photo editors, right from here, make my edits, and have ProSelect update them automatically. I'm going to process this order. I will check all, and then click on Produce Images. ProSelect handles the rest. Photoshop runs automatically in the background. What would have taken 30 minutes? Done in seconds. That's ProSelect Pro. Now, let's take a look at slideshows. Slideshows are a powerful sales tool, and both versions can create them. In Basic, you can build one slideshow, perfect for a single client session or a quick preview. In Pro, you can create up to 5 slideshows, ideal for showing different versions or comparisons. You can even link them together into one seamless show, with separate soundtracks for each section. Pro also supports video slideshows. Import clips such as behind-the-scenes videos, blend them with stills, and use soft transitions or the Ken Burns effect for motion. Add a personalized touch with dynamic title slides, automatically pulling client names right from your session data. The full multimedia slideshow experience, exclusive to ProSelect Pro. Let's move to Books, a complete album building system exclusive to ProSelect Pro. You can automate the design process or customize layouts manually, switching mat or album styles instantly. And when it's ready, Pro Production automates Photoshop, creating every page for you. And what about Photoshop Actions? If you use Photoshop Actions in your workflow, ProSelect can run them automatically. In Pro, you can load up to 100 actions, giving you endless creative possibilities. In Basic, you can load up to 5 actions for simple effects. The last feature I will highlight is the Watch folder. This is especially useful for headshots or corporate shoots. The Watch folder feature automatically loads images live from your tethered setup, making real-time shooting and selling effortless. ProSelect Basic is a powerful starting point, perfect for photographers new to in-person sales. ProSelect Pro takes your business to the next level, helping you show more, sell more, and get it all done faster. You can upgrade anytime through your Pro Studio software account. Once you do, you'll see just how much time and money you save every time you open ProSelect.